Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a contact page in WordPress. First, you will need to choose a reliable contact form plugin. There are many excellent options available, such as WP Forms Lite or Contact Form 7. Once you have made your selection, simply install and activate the plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. This initial step is crucial for building an effective communication channel with your audience. Now that your plugin is active, it is time to design your contact form. Head over to the plugin settings within your WordPress admin area. Here, you can create a new form and easily add various fields such as name, email address, and message using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Remember to customize the field labels and mark any essential fields as required for submission. With your contact form designed, the next step is to embed it onto a page. Create a new WordPress page, giving it a clear title like Contact Us. Then, you can easily insert your form using either a shortcode provided by the plugin or by adding a dedicated block in the block editor. Once inserted, publish the page to make it live and visible on your website. Finally, it is essential to test and configure your contact page settings. Submit a test message through your new form to ensure everything is working perfectly. Next, set up email notifications so you receive submissions promptly. You should also consider implementing spam protection, like reCAPTCHA, and customize the confirmation message users see after submitting their inquiries. This ensures a smooth experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.